Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by unlocking your Iqoo Z9s Pro and heading straight to Settings. This avoids launcher detours. Once in Settings, tap Display, then lock Screen Wallpaper to enter the correct picker. Make sure the image you want is already in Gallery or Files so selection is instant. If the photo is in cloud storage, download it first. This ensures the system can apply the image without waiting for sync, which reduces errors and keeps the process smooth. Now select Gallery or Files and tap the image you want. This opens the Wallpaper editor. Use the crop handles to frame the subject and pick fit versus full bleed depending on whether you want edges preserved or cropped. Once cropped, check available effects. Some firmwares offer blur, parallax, or dynamic options. Toggle them to see live preview. Preview the lock screen specifically because home and lock screens can differ. Adjust until the composition reads well on a vertical display. Finish by tapping Apply or Set as lock screen and confirm when prompted. The phone then writes the image to system storage. Once done, lock and wake the screen to verify alignment. If the wallpaper fails to stick or reverts, restart the device first. That clears transient system locks. If problems persist, clear the system UI cache or reset wallpaper settings in storage under Settings. This resolves corrupted temporary files. If still broken, use another image.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.